I'm Abdul. I serve as the Financial Reporting Analyst 1 at Jabil, and my job is to help my team compile documentation for their SEC filings. The reason I wanted to begin my career at Jabil was because I met the marvelous recruiters from Jabil at numerous USF events, including a speed networking event and multiple career fairs. From the interaction with those recruiters, I realized that Jabil provides incoming early career professionals a diversified path for them to not only find their interest, but once they've found their interest, to flourish in their careers. When you compare Jabil to other companies, usually interns don't get too much of a hands-on experience. Whereas at Jabil, as part of my internship, I was able to lead a software implementation program for Jabil globally around 100+ sites, in which we migrated all our data from our outdated software to the new software. Jabil does an outstanding job of taking early career professionals, pushing them out of the comfort zone, allowing them to actually seek experiences in their career by working hands-on the projects.